thank you so much inyong time, engineers, mga bayaws. And hopefully, may masusunod pang mga sessions. Just follow us on, kung sa TikTok kayo nang galing, kung sa Facebook kayo, stick lang kayo doon kasi pare-pareho lang naman yung ina-upload namin na contents. And as much as possible, we encourage you to be more engaging doon sa mga upcoming contents namin kasi yun nga, kung yung mga tanong nyo or saan kayo nasa stuck or yung mga struggles nyo, yung ginagawa namin ng contents. And hopefully makapag-offer kami ng training. Kasi yung plano namin, mag-offer kami ng training na money back guarantee. Meaning, may offer kami na training. Tapos ang output ng training is dapat makakuha talaga kayo ng clients or matutunan nyo talaga yung SolidWorks. So before you purchase our upcoming trainings, bibigyan namin kayo ng money back guarantee if hindi nyo kaya or hindi effective yung training namin. Parang ganun. So as much as possible, madami kaming mga upcoming sessions pag kagaya nito. Hindi lang about SolidWorks, about din freelancing. So yun lang. Maraming salamat. And thank you for taking time to join our session. See you in our vlogs. Thank you.